The issue I want to mention is the question that was asked about the issue of siwak. The usage of what? A siwak. Somebody uses a siwak. You all know what a siwak is, or a toothbrush. Now, just want to let you know, some people think that the sunnah is using the wooden siwak. Is it wooden? No. What's the best word to say? Leaf, branch? Because when you say branch, it looks like something big. What's the best way to translate the word siwak? Twig. Yeah? But we all know what a siwak is, right? The siwak, that a lot of people think that the reward that has been mentioned for the siwak is restricted to the wooden one and not the toothbrush. And the truth of the matter is, even the toothbrush takes the same reward. Does that make sense? The toothbrush that people use, the Colgate toothbrush, or what's it called? Aqua Fresh, or what's the other one? The electric one. What's the electric one called? Oral-B, that's it, mashallah. All of those, they all fall under the concept of siwak. Are we all together? Does that make sense? So the hadith that have come, as-siwak matharatun lil-fam wa mardatun lil-rabbi, it applies to the toothbrush as well. Are we all together? Can a person use it for Ramadan? You woke up in the morning, can you brush your teeth? Are you allowed to use or you got a miswak? You want to, or you got your Oral-B electric one, you want to use it? Can you use it? Inshallah, please use it, brothers and sisters, okay? Use it. There's nothing wrong with using it. All of the evidences, لولا أن أشق على أمتي لأمرتهم بالسواك عند كل صلاة, all of it applies in Ramadan, inshallah ta'ala, and it's more for Ramadan, right? Because of the lack, the person hasn't eaten food, it's good to clean your teeth and also your tongue. What about toothpaste? Inshallah, it's also fine. You can use your toothpaste as long as you what? As long as you don't swallow it. So wash it out, the toothpaste that you use. You can use it as long as you don't swallow it, spit it out. Are we all together? And it takes the same ruling of the mother who's cooking food, who's making food. She wants to taste the food that she's cooking. Is she allowed to do that? She's allowed to. Naam. But she's not allowed to what? She shouldn't swallow it. Okay?